main clause and a subordinate clause or subordinate clauses give us a complex sentence. All right? Let us look at example 1. Okay, Alfredo, could you read example 1 for us?
If the results are good, we will celebrate.
Again?
If the results are good, we will celebrate.
Wonderful, Alfredo. If the results are good, we will celebrate. Okay? So in this sentence, we have two parts. The first part is what we call a subordinate clause. And the second part is what we call the main clause. The difference between the main clause and the subordinate clause is this. The subordinate clause does not make sense on its own, whereas the main clause makes sense on its own. In this sentence, the subordinate clause comes right at the beginning. Pedrito, could you read the subordinate clause?
If the results are good.
Wonderful, Pedrito. And after the subordinate clause, if the subordinate clause comes at the beginning, we must have a comma. Felipe, do you see that comma?
Yes.
Wonderful. Then it is after that we have the main clause. Let us look at sentence number 2. Felipe, could you read sentence number 2 for us?
We will celebrate if the results are good.
Again?
We will celebrate if the results are good.
Wonderful, Felipe. We will celebrate if the results are good. Felipe, in terms of punctuation, what difference do you see between sentence 1 and sentence 2?
Do they let the comma?
There is no comma in sentence 2.
Yes.
Wonderful, Felipe. And that means if our sentence starts with the main clause, no comma separates the main clause and the subordinate clause. But there is something else we are learning in this sentence too, that the main clause can also come at the beginning. It can also come at the end. Okay, Alfredo, could you read for us example number 3?
The results which we are expecting are good.